This is my little bit of heaven. Little babies taking their baths, playing. Have a yellow finch out there. Of course, I can't be outside while they're doing this. I would like to get a better picture. But yellow finch is out over there, if you guys can see her. She's standing out there watching. She's out there at the other end. See her out there? She's watching. She isn't sure. And they saw me moving around. But they like to bathe in that little water bowl. They started out over there. And then they realized, wait a minute, the faucet's on over there. We can go out there and play out there. They might come back. That's my Russian sage out there. It's going to be going to sleep for the winter time. I moved her from where she was at. But I hope you all are doing well today. Isn't that sweet? The way they nestle in there into the grass. They don't care about any COVID. They're just being birds and enjoying themselves. That's the way we should be. Carefree, happy-go-lucky. They trust the Creator to take care of them. And I'm trying really hard to just keep going, everyone. But I'm getting a little bit disheartened. Yeah, I don't know if you saw the big dove. Come on in, she's out there. I can get her in time before she moves. I got all kinds of doves that just keep them in prayer that evil falcon doesn't kill them all off, because we used to have a lot more doves than we do now. And it's because that evil, wicked falcon has been killing them. We got quail that I'm trying to keep protected. Sometimes I just feel like I'm that fountain just pouring out, and sometimes it's good stuff, sometimes it's bad stuff. I'm just really tired. I'm tired of sharing this existence with greed and the corruption within, especially the Treasury Department and the IRS. I was counting on my return so that I could get a well for my place, because that water is very toxic, and I know that a couple of my friends that are in Michigan, they already know what it's all about toxic water. And I just would ask that you guys keep it in prayer that things will get rectified and they'll have to give me my what I'm owed. Especially when we know that there's a primary exemption account for each one of us that has millions of dollars in, that they keep on tricking people and not, people don't take a while, it takes a while to work it out, like Romley says. Listen to what Justinian Deception talks about Romley and the Glossed Channel and Trip. Well, we don't have our brother Harvey to say much. Harvey's just got to be quiet because they do what they do. Anyone that talks the truth, they're gonna keep it taking their channels down. And but anyway, I'm really just sad. I was really counting on that to try to help me out to get my well. And now I gotta deal with these people, and maybe I can get it worked out, because I know that they owe me. The papers were done correctly, and they're trying to say that they weren't. That's typical when they don't want to give you what they owe you. They try to make up some kind of crap so they don't have to give what is yours. There's my fig trees. I got lots of figs, but they're not ripening. I got one off of it that was ripe. That's my other fig tree down there. I actually was waiting on hold for like over 15 minutes. Yeah, we know. We know what that is, right? We know what happens when that goes on like that. We know we got the G troll has figured out that I'm recording something, so naturally the G troll had to come in and ruin things like they always do. I bet you it makes you feel like a real man or woman to mess with somebody's beauty that they're trying to share with others, right? It makes you feel big because you're blurring people's film. It takes all kinds, I guess, right? Less than human. But back to the beginning. We all need to be like those beautiful little creatures out there, just enjoying the elements and not worrying about the rest of the garbage that surrounds us. Take care, everyone.